Now I have found a real way to make PayPal money. I will share this with you, so stay tuned in this video. I know a lot of you prefer to be paid using PayPal. Everyone loves money, and PayPal has been one of the easiest ways to send and to receive money. Well, a lot of people do not know how to utilize PayPal to earn money online. If you're one of them, this video is really for you. It will show you how you can make free PayPal money. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. First, you need to have your own PayPal account. Just proceed to paypal.com and create your own free account by pressing this button. After that, just fill in the necessary personal information for your account. Once you are done, you can now log into your own account. If you do not like PayPal, you can search for a different online bank account in your country. Then, sign up for a free account on your chosen online bank. Do not get too excited because you actually need a mobile phone for this to work. Well, you can use your Android or iPhone for this. If you do not have a mobile phone, then you can earn money from your computer. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step procedure on how you can make a free account. Again, this is one of the easiest strategies out there for earning money online. This is absolutely free and you can access it from anywhere in the world. Make sure to stay tuned in this video to know a lot of bonus tips on how you can increase your PayPal earnings. Now, the website where you can earn free PayPal money is called Userlytics.com. Once you are on their website already, just scroll down to see their link that states "Be paid to participate." Now, just press this link and wait until you get redirected. You will see a page where you can get paid to test websites and apps. Again, you can use your phone or computer to earn money from this. Basically, you only need to do 3 steps. 1. Register for a free account. Then you can now start making money online. For the rest of this video, I will show you how you can do this. For the next step, just make sure to interact with the app or site. I will tell you how you can interact with it later. Now, the last step is to earn money through PayPal. You can make $5 to $20 per project test that you will be able to accomplish. There are projects that will even pay you $90 for doing their app test. This is really a great earning opportunity, so stay tuned and watch until the end of this video. Before we start, please make sure that you have your own phone or a computer. If you already have one of these, you can now sign up for a free account. Just scroll down and include your email address. After that, just fill in these boxes and click Sign Up. It is very quick and easy. Now, you have already created an account successfully. Proceed to your email for verification and login details. If you do not receive an email, try to check your spam folder. You can also check whether the email that you have included is correct. Once you are inside your account, set up your profile by putting your first name, last name, and all the necessary information on the site. You also need to include your gadget information on the site. If you are using a phone, state its type, and if you are using a computer, make sure to include the type of computer that you have. After that, include and make sure to put the correct PayPal email address on the site. Once you are able to do this and confirm your email address, you can start receiving various tasks where you can earn money online. I will give you a demo on how you can do it. Look at this task from the website testing category. In this case, you will check their website, which is etsy.com. Now, this trick will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. It's not much, but the payment can reach up to $90. So, do not exit the video to see how you will be able to earn this amount of money in PayPal. When you scroll, you will see the steps that you need to follow to earn money. Now, the first step is to proceed to a new browser tab on your computer or phone. After that, visit the official site of Etsy. There is a URL link from the page and you just need to press it. Step 1 ends when you are already on the site. The second step is to screenshot the official homepage of Etsy. Now, this is important because some tasks require a screenshot to prove that you really take time to visit the site. Now, just take a screenshot of their page and save it on your phone or computer. It is really simple, right? The third step is to look for women's clothing dresses. You also need to filter the results based on the following criteria. You need to follow the said criteria for these things. Now, you need to follow this because they need to know that the shoppers and users will be able to access this website and know where to find certain products. According to the instructions, we need to find women's clothing in clothing category. On the Etsy homepage, you can see the clothing category on the top. Then you will be able to see women's clothing on this side of the page. Now, click on this dresses link to get redirected. After that, you can now successfully browse through the category. After that, you need to filter the results based on these criteria. Going back to the Etsy website, there are a lot of clothing items such as dresses from women. On the left side of the page, you will see various options that you can choose and click. You could also filter the results on that part of the screen. Now, it is important that you follow the instructions properly and exactly. You will get paid for following the instructions rigorously. Right now, here are the special offers that you can avail. Choose the free shipping and look again for the criteria that was given to you. According to it, you need to choose the one that is ready to ship within 1 business day. Just follow the criteria and click the right option. The next criteria is all about the price. It requires any price, so just click the one that corresponds to it. After that, choose the size based on the criteria, which is 0. So just choose this one on the screen. For the style of the clothes, the criteria requires a gothic and the dress needs to be a flapper. Again, just choose these options among the given. Lastly, the shop location could be from anywhere and the item type must be vintage. Just look at these options on the Etsy page and click on them. Now, recheck everything again and make sure that you have followed the criteria that they have set. When you are done, just take a screenshot again to prove that we have followed everything correctly. The last step is to find this product. It is a green sapphire engagement ring that we need to take a screenshot together with its discounted price. To do this, just highlight the product name and copy it. Then, proceed to the Etsy website and paste the name on the search bar. Click the search button. On the results, find the needed product and take a screenshot of it. Again, we are looking for a green sapphire engagement ring. So, I'm going to press this picture until it redirects me to another page. Then, I will take screenshots of the given photos. Now, you are done with the fourth step. It is really simple because they have already given you the necessary information that you need to strictly follow. It will just take about 5 to 10 minutes to finish everything. Again, they will pay you up to $90 for following their instructions and testing their websites. Just follow the steps given and take screenshots as a documentation that you really follow their steps. After you have completed the tasks, they will pay you in your PayPal account. Again, these projects are willing to pay up to $90 for every task that you do. It is really easy and everyone can do this from anywhere in the world. Again, this is online money machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.